over just to feed the rabbit. Pug with his tilted head, water bottle too full. He plays NASCAR, racing around the room. I sat down with my sandwich, hoping I'd start to foam. I wanted to watch the trains go by during sandwich time. Boy, that'd be nice. But your computer's locked, screen cold and dark. Didn't want to interrupt your Disney cruise in Michigan. So I sit here alone, heart falling apart. Pug hops closer, oblivious and sweet. Nibbles his hay while I stare at your lock screen. The trains rumble past the window, right on time. But I'm stuck in this quiet, humming Taylor Swift rhymes. I wanted to watch the trains go by during sandwich time. Boy, that'd be nice. But your computer's locked, screen cold and dark. Didn't want to interrupt your Disney cruise in Michigan. So I sit here alone, heart falling apart. Maybe when you sail back home, you'll unlock the screen. Let me know it's time. Phone cool tilts his head when he hears me sigh, wondering why sandwich time passed us by. Trains keep rolling far away. Your Disney sailing in Frankenmud, and I'm here with Pug, wishing for trains. I guess I'll just eat my sandwich off my chest on the couch then. I wanted to watch the trains go by during sandwich time. Boy, that'd be nice. But your computer's locked, screen cold and dark. Didn't want to interrupt your Disney cruise in Michigan. So I sit here alone, heart falling apart.